In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project roadmap in Airtable to plan, track, and manage your work from start to finish. We'll keep things simple, clear, and scalable so you can use this for one project or an entire portfolio. First, open Airtable on your desktop. If you're starting fresh, create a new base and name it Roadmap. If you already have a planning base, open that instead so we can adapt it. This will be the home for everything: projects, milestones, tasks, and the people involved. Before building anything, take a moment to map your planning workflow. List the key elements you'll track, like your projects or initiatives, the milestones and deadlines that define progress, who's responsible for what, any dependencies between tasks, and how you'll track status. This quick planning step ensures your base captures the information you actually need. Now set up your core tables. Create a projects table for high-level initiatives with start and end dates. Add a milestones table to record the key checkpoints tied to each project. Create a tasks or activities table for the detailed work that rolls up into milestones. Add a team members table to manage assignments. Finally, include a dependencies table to capture relationships so you can see what needs to happen before something else can move forward. Link these tables so projects connect to milestones and tasks connect to assigned team members and dependencies. Next, define structured fields to keep data clean and consistent. Use single-line text for names, single select for status with options like not started, in progress and completed, collaborator for the responsible person, and date fields for start and end dates. Attachments are great for documents or designs, while long text fields hold notes or instructions. Add formulas to calculate progress percentages or timeline indicators. Structured fields make reporting and automations reliable. Create views that help you focus. Set up an all projects view, an upcoming milestones view filtered by future dates, an overdue tasks view to surface delays, views grouped by team member, and a view filtered by project status. Around this point, if you need Airtable, there's a link at the top of the description so you can follow along directly in the app or website. Set up automations to reduce manual work. Notify team members about upcoming milestones or overdue tasks. Update statuses when items are completed. Send reminders for critical deadlines. And alert managers when dependencies aren't met. Apply conditional logic using formulas or conditional fields to automatically highlight delayed items, calculate completion percentages, and flag blockers so issues are visible early. Test your setup with sample data to ensure automations fire correctly, views sort and filter as expected, and conditional logic highlights what matters. Finally, maintain and optimize. Review tables, views, automations, and formulas regularly, and update the roadmap as plans and priorities shift. That's how you can build a roadmap in Airtable to plan, track, and manage projects efficiently. Thanks for watching.